India has more than $1.96 trillion in national debt, which is roughly 5 times more than the current union budget, 10 times more than the cumulative per capita monthly income of 130 crore Indians. Huge number, right? This number has become so huge as Indian government spends more than it collects in taxes, and the shortfall of it is funded by taking debt. So what will happen if India stops paying the money it owes? No one really knows exactly what would take place. Well, let us take a look at the potential effects that would occur if India defaults on its debt. First and immediate impact would be a blow on India's reputation in the global market. India's rating might decline, which would make it harder to borrow money in future. If we talk about the current scenario, then India is at the bottom of investment grade rating scale. Now you can imagine the impact a default would have on our ratings. Secondly, there will be a huge impact on future government spending. The data says center and states government have borrowed more than 300% of their revenue to fill the fiscal gap in financial year 19. But if a default takes place, such borrowing would not be possible and hence government would be forced to reduce spending. This would leave government with little or no money to pay salaries, no money to pay pensions, Medicare bills, and even payments to keep it running. This would eventually affect the standard of living. It might start with riots on the street, leading to a situation of chaos in the country. India would not be considered safe anymore for any further investments. The foreign investor would rapidly sell off their shares and the stock market would crash. This is because the foreign investors form a major part of the stock market. In addition to this, uncertainty and confusion would increase the chances of banking crisis. People might attempt to take all of their money out of the banks. Also, the cost of doing business would increase if India defaults on its debt. Businesses would suffer, and as a result, there would be higher unemployment. The high cost of doing business would lead to high prices of commodities. Prices of daily essentials like groceries, clothes, and fuel would increase. It's not a pretty picture, right? You may be thinking that all this is just a speculation. It is difficult to be certain about such a scenario, but history can show us a more clear picture. In 2015, Greece defaulted on a $1.7 billion payment to the IMF. Though this number is not as astonishing as that of India's current debt level, its impact was even more lethal. A study shows 15% of Greeks earned below the extreme poverty level. Net worth of a Greek household fell by 40%. Unemployment rate of Greece is still highest in European Union, that is at 22%. Considering this example, now you can imagine the impacts if India defaults on its debt. Thank you.